I overthink everything. Ever since I started learning to code, I would question every little thing. Is this the best language? Is this the best course? Is this the best way to learn? Because of that, I was really slow learner and even slower programmer. All that time spent overthinking could have been time spent actually getting better. The strange thing about programming is that the more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. That's when I came up with what I called the just make it work rule. Whenever I noticed myself overthinking, I would stop worrying about best practices and just focus on making the code work. A bad solution is always better than a perfect idea you never use. So go ahead, write messy, ugly code. It is not a waste of time. In fact, that's exactly how you learn. You can always improve your code later. There are tons of resources and people out there willing to help. But first, you have to write something or anything. No amount of YouTube tutorials will save you from making mistakes. The only way to get better is actually do the work. Write the code, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. That's how you improve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.